You like it?
Hey guys, welcome back to the Orange Wires Garage YouTube channel. Today's video we're going to do something a little bit different. We reached out to rough country, tried to get us some of them retractable side steps for our 2017 Tacoma with a 3-inch lift. They didn't respond, so we did the next best thing and reached out on Facebook Marketplace. We found one for half price, brand new in the box. So today we're going to try to install them on this Tacoma. Sits about 2 foot off the ground. So what we're going to do now is we're going to unbox it, look at the instructions, see what it comes with. So let's get started. Alright guys, so we unboxed everything. This is kind of the gist of it. We've got our computer module here. Everything should be direct plug and play on these side steps. We got our nuts and bolts, wire ties, tie everything up nice and neat. We got our instruction manual here. Over here we've got our side step motor and our brackets. 3 brackets. This is the front, this is the middle, this is the rear for the left side. And how we tell that, right here, left, middle. This box right here just has the right side. And over here we have our 2 running boards. So what we're going to do now, looking at the instruction manual, it says to start on the left side first. So we're going to do steps 1 through 6 right now and install these brackets on the left side of the truck.
So we made it to step number 7. We're going to go ahead and remove this kick plate, and then we got to remove this scuff plate to run our wires. Step number 8 says we got to remove the 4 door sensors from each one of the doors. 100.
Step number 9, remove the seat bolts. Step 11 is to remove the rubber grommet under the carpet, under the driver's seat. We will save that for reuse. Step 12, it says plug the white plug into the module. That's what we're doing right now. So we're going to try to install the module right there. That way, we're right in the middle, can run our wires both ways. So both front seats and the middle console is out. We're fixing to fish the wires. I don't know what step we're on, but we're just going to run all the wires all together and knock it out.
So what we're doing right now is we're fishing our power cable, which is the small end, through the rubber grommet into the vehicle cabin. And then this end out here, we're just going to connect up to the battery because it's got an inline fuse. Let's see how big it is. 20 amp fuse. So that's what we're going to do. We're going to tape this thing on here, pull it right through the grommet, run it up under the carpet into the center console area. Be ready to power these things up in just a few.
So here's where we're putting our ground.
Like it?
Yeah, check that out. If this video's been helpful so far, leave us a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications. It really helps us out.
So step 13 called out mounting the controller right behind the edge of the console. We went ahead and removed the complete console out of the way, and we went ahead and went through steps 13 all the way to 25, which basically runs all the wiring, connects all the door switches, gets the battery and ground connected to the controller. And then we went through and checked each door and each door switch to make sure that the running boards are going to open and close on each one. So the next step is to go ahead and get the running boards mounted up, get the LEDs hooked up, get all these wires tidied up, and get the seats back in and hit the road.
We really like the way these running boards look on this Tacoma. It's got bright LEDs that help you see at night and get into the truck easier. This project takes the better part of a day to put in, so make sure you plan ahead and plan a whole day's work on this for the first time you put them in. If you put them in again, it'd probably take a whole lot less time. But if you've got any questions on this installation and on these running boards, leave us a comment down below. We read every one. So we ran out of time on this video. The running boards are installed. It looks great. Drop a like if this video helped you. Follow us on Instagram at Orange Wires Garage. We always post there before YouTube. Leave a comment below. Until next time, we're out.